Some updates were not installed. This is a very common error when you try to install a patch manually on Windows servers. In this video we will talk about how to resolve this issue very easily and what things to check. So let us discuss. So this is the error which you will get when you will try to install the patch manually. That is, some updates were not installed. So we will discuss how to troubleshoot this kind of issue. For analyzing this issue, you need to check the CBS logs, which is located in C drive Windows logs folder, that is highlighted in the screenshot. You can see this log only through CM trace tool, which is located in this path, that is C drive Windows CCM folder. So you have to open this CBS log with CM trace tool. So after you open the CBS logs, you can go to tools and find the error with the help of the keyword check sur, that is given here in the screenshot. Another keyword is comma space error. So these two are the common keywords, check sur and comma space error, which will directly point the error on the CBS logs, and then you have to analyze the error and the issue. So the first scenario which we can discuss here, the error which you can get in the CBS logs as failed to load the components, which is located in the path, that is C drive Windows System 32 config and then component file. So what you need to do, you have to perform the SFC scan now. This is the file located in the path Windows System 32 config. The component file is getting failed to load here. What we will do, we will just open the command prompt as an admin and we will run the command sfc/scan now. So just you can see here it has run and it will take some time to complete, and the once it has got completed, it can found the corruption, and if the corruption is not found, then no component store corruption detected, it will provide the output. Next we will run the command, that is dism online slash cleanup image slash restore health slash English. So this will give the exact cause, that is here it is giving the process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. That means you need to reboot the server. So for scenario 1 error, rebooting the server is the solution. Now let's proceed towards the scenario 2, which error you can get in the CBS log. So in the scenario 2, you can get the winner folder corrupt in the CBS logs, like it is shown here, highlighted, that is winner.cps. So here you have to open registry edit, that is you have to open run and type reg edit. It will open the registry folder, and winner folder is located in the given path as shown in the screenshot, that is computer HK local machine software Microsoft Windows current version side by side and winners. So this folder is corrupt in this case. So you have to pick another healthy machine and go to the same path of the registry as shown previously. You have to just trace the winner folder and export it, and just copy that healthy winner folder to the corrupted server, import that winner folder in that server and reboot the server. This will restore the components, and just try to install the patch. Your issue will get resolved. Thank you for watching this video. Do post your queries and suggestions so that I can respond you on the comments. And for more such videos, do subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye. Take care.